So I just finished one lap and it's like 2 kilometers already. So I'll be going for a second one. And if you're out there, you are running, good morning, and I am giving you a shout out. I'll see you. So I just finished my run for the day and I did 2 laps. That's like 7 kilometers to be exact, and 48 minutes 11 seconds. And I'm rounding up, closing for the day. This is a good habit, man. Nobody fit convince me say I don't like what I do like this. This is a very good habit. Very, very good. Anyways, if you are out there and you did workout this morning or you'll be doing in the evening, I am giving you a shout out. Nice habit, man. You are doing very, very well. I applaud you all for that. Drenched.